Psalm 54. To the chief musician on Neginoth, Maschil, a psalm of David. When the Ziphims came and said to Saul, "Does not David hide himself with us?" Save me, O God, by your name, and judge me by your strength. Hear my prayer, O God. Give ear to the words of my mouth. For strangers are risen up against me, and oppressors seek after my soul. They have not set God before them. Selah. Behold, God is mine helper. The Lord is with them that uphold my soul. He shall reward evil unto mine enemies. Cut them off in your truth. I will freely sacrifice unto you. I will praise your name, O Lord, for it is good. For he has delivered me out of all trouble, and mine eye has seen his desire upon mine enemies.